Here's how to do an instant withdrawal on Robinhood. So first, you've got to have your bank account connected through Plaid. So if we go to our account dropdown and then transfers, inside of here, as you scroll down, you'll see your linked accounts. If you go to add new account and choose bank account, that will open up the Plaid connector. You can actually continue as a guest. It's pretty easy, and then connect your bank account. As long as you've done that, you can do instant transfers, and in this case, an instant withdrawal. So the other thing is you're going to have only a certain amount of money available to withdraw, because positions need to be closed, things need to be processed, but you'll see your cash available right here, and that's what you can withdraw. When you start your transfer up here at the top, you go to transfer money. Inside of here, choose how much you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer $2, right? Then I'm going to select not from my bank account, because that would be a deposit. So I'm going to select from my Robinhood account. After I select that, I want to make sure it goes to the bank account that I want it to go to, and then make sure that it's the right amount that I want to transfer or withdraw. Then go to review that withdrawal. After I review it, I have standard, which is free, or I have the instant transfer option here. You can select that. All of the numbers here are not real numbers, so your fee is going to be different. It's not going to be a $5 fee on a $2 withdrawal, right? That doesn't make any sense. But depending on how much money you're transferring to your bank account, the fee will change because there's a percentage on that. Like I said, this percentage, not correct. You, when you are doing this instant withdrawal, will be able to see for yourself what the fee is. And so that's pretty much it. I mean, after that, you just transfer the money. After you select instant transfer, that's how you can do an instant withdrawal on Robinhood.